Have you ever heard of SIM jacking or SIM swapping? These terms describe a serious and growing security threat that can completely compromise your digital life within hours. SIM swapping is a sophisticated form of identity theft, where attackers manipulate your mobile carrier into transferring your phone number to a SIM card they control, effectively hijacking your mobile identity. The attack typically begins long before you notice anything is wrong. Fraudsters first gather your personal information through phishing emails, social media profiling, or stolen data purchased from the dark web. You might be surprised how much detail is publicly visible on your social profiles alone. Your full name, date of birth, hometown, and even your mobile carrier can all be pieced together by a determined criminal. Armed with this information, they contact your mobile provider, impersonating you and claiming they've lost their phone or need a SIM replacement. In many cases, a convincing story and a few correct answers to security questions is all it takes. Once successful, your number is transferred to their SIM card, and your original one is immediately deactivated, leaving you without service and completely unaware that anything has happened. From that point, the damage escalates quickly. Attackers can intercept all incoming calls and text messages, including one-time passcodes used for two-factor authentication. This hands them access to your bank accounts, cryptocurrency wallets, email, and social media. Experienced attackers can drain accounts within minutes of gaining control. The FBI reported that SIM swapping resulted in over $68 million in losses in 2021 alone, and that figure has risen steadily as the method has spread through criminal networks. The consequences can take months or years to fully recover from. Financial loss, damaged credit, and compromised accounts across every corner of your digital life. While you cannot completely eliminate the risk, you can make yourself a much harder target. Set up a dedicated PIN or security passphrase directly with your mobile carrier. Switch from SMS-based two-factor authentication to a standalone authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy, which generates codes locally and cannot be intercepted through a SIM swap. Stay alert to phishing attempts across email, text, and social media. Most importantly, know the warning signs. A sudden loss of mobile service, unexpected login alerts, or unauthorized transactions all demand immediate action. The faster you respond, the better your chances of limiting the damage.